Sanchi DL9006 cabinet door professional CNC drilling machine. Vertical horizontal drilling. Grooving. It has 4 vertical and 2 horizontal processing spindles. Syntec bus control system. Auto panel thickness sensor. Servo motor with absolute encoder. X-Z-axis ball screw. Y-axis linear rail helical rack. Spindle linear rail. Heavy machine body. High precision drilling grooving. Lemello saw option. Auto lubrication. 2 working stations. Hand controller included. It can make holes and grooves for air hinges, cross hinges, lemello, straighteners, embedded hardware handles, unequal double handles, invisible handles, begonia corners, wire, lock, sliding door pulley, etc.